Are you looking to upgrade your website's hosting but unsure where to start? In this video, we'll explore virtual private server hosting, VPS, and how it can benefit your online presence. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. It's a hosting solution that bridges the gap between shared hosting and dedicated servers. Using virtualization technology, a single physical server is divided into multiple isolated virtual servers. Each VPS operates independently, with its own allocated resources like CPU, RAM, and storage. This setup provides more control and stability compared to shared hosting. VPS hosting offers several benefits. Performance. Dedicated resources ensure consistent performance. Customization. Full root access allows for custom software installations and configurations. Scalability. Easily upgrade resources as your website grows. Security. Isolated environments enhance security compared to shared hosting. These features make VPS hosting ideal for growing websites that need more than shared hosting can offer. To put it into perspective, shared hosting, like renting a room in a shared apartment. You share resources with others. VPS hosting, similar to having your own apartment in a building. You have your own space and resources. Dedicated hosting, comparable to owning an entire building. You have full control over everything. VPS hosting provides a balance between cost and control, making a popular choice for many. Consider VPS hosting if your website has outgrown shared hosting. You need more control over your server environment. You're running applications that require specific configurations. VPS hosting offers the flexibility and resources needed to support growing websites and applications. In summary, VPS hosting provides a middle ground between shared and dedicated hosting, offering enhanced performance, control, and scalability. If you're ready to take your website to the next level, VPS hosting might be the solution you need. Check out Bluehost for expert WordPress hosting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more website and hosting tips.